Moore College has been building Christian community for more than 100 years, teaching the Word of God, creating the relationships, developing the talents that have helped the gospel spread throughout the world. Moore College is respected around the world as a place where the Bible is faithfully taught and students are effectively prepared for global mission. In the heart of cosmopolitan Newtown, it's where wisdom and experience meet exuberance and vision. Moore offers a range of part-time, full-time and flexible study options, online lectures, digital resources, distance education. A long list of options for future students to engage with. In fact, the only thing that's limited are the seats. Moore Theological College. Apply by November 30. You'll avoid extra admin fees, gain access to exclusive online resources, and we'll guarantee we save one for you.